Prepare your carrots, spring onion and onions, and grate your pepper, and you can also dice it into smaller pieces. After that, you peel your Irish potatoes after washing it properly. And then you remove the bad parts. We wouldn't want to waste any of this. Then you cut it into smaller pieces in form of cubes to be able to fill into the pie properly. After that, you boil it for some minutes. This is my minced beef. And put little oil on fire. Add your onion. You grate your ginger and add it to the onion. Stir for a few seconds. Then you add your homemade ground beef and stir until it turns brown. After that, you prepare your cornstarch for thickening with 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Then add in your Irish potatoes, add your veggies and mix. Then you pour in your cornstarch and a little bit of water to achieve a thick consistency. Meanwhile, you prepare your flour, add in 500 grams of butter and mix loosely until you achieve a crumbly consistency. Add in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt and mix. Then you add in little water. Here I added 3/4 cup of water and mix lightly. And then you divide into sections and keep in the fridge for some minutes to make it firm. Then you bring it out and roll it. Roll it until you have a surface wide enough to contain your cutter, your meat pie cutter, or to any size that you want. Roll gently at this point. Until you have a thin layer of dough. Then add in your filling, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and cover tightly. With this method, you don't even need to use any egg to hold the pie. You continue with the remaining batches of the dough. Add in your filling again and close tightly. Then remove the excess. Meanwhile, you prepare your oven to preheat, and then you put in your meat pie and it's ready to bake. Bake for 40 to 1 hour on low heat and then your yummy meat pie is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.